हाल के दिनों में आपने देखा होगा कि लोगों में फिजिकल एक्टिविटी के प्रति जागरूकता कुछ ज़्यादा बढ़ी है, और आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि लोग ग्रुप्स में 2-2, 3-3 के समूह में साइकिलिंग करते हैं, जॉगिंग करते हैं। तो जहाँ इस तरह की बातें हो रही हैं वहाँ मास्क पहनना चाहिए, क्योंकि वहाँ आप सामाजिक दूरी का पालन करें और एक दूसरे को इन्फेक्ट न करें, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आप अकेले साइकिल चला रहे हैं तो मास्क पहनने संबंधी कोई दिशा निर्देश स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय ने जारी नहीं किया है।
When daily positive numbers are increasing, why is the government opening up different activities under the unlock system?
Daily positive numbers are increasing, there is no doubt about it, but then these numbers have to be seen in the context of the total population of India. We are the second most populous country in the world. We are conducting on an average 9.5 lakh tests every day, which was not happening at least a month and a half ago. Yesterday, in the last 24 hours, we conducted 11,70,000 tests. And what is interesting to note is that in that 11,70,000 tests, the positivity remained 7.20. So that is also important. Now coming to the question, why are we opening? You see, the government has adopted a graded approach to unlock and to open up various economic activities. It is not as if suddenly everything has been opened up. So there is a graded approach to opening. And prior to graded opening of economic activities in the country, the government has also ensured that all prerequisites are in place. What are these prerequisites? We have ensured that the testing capacity in the country is adequate. We have now created a testing capacity where you can do 11 lakh tests or more in a day. Government has ensured that there are clear-cut guidelines of standard clinical treatment protocol. This is also an important prerequisite. We have also ensured that the hospital infrastructure is enhanced.